So we're packed. 4 pieces of luggage coming back as well. Heavenly.
And the good thing is, this one here only weighs like 10 kilograms, but it's full.
So you want to go and get more shopping?
No. Well, are we? Oh, we could do, couldn't we?
We could do.
Yeah, but we're going to pop to Disney Springs now to do the check-in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
Let's go check in.
Let's go check in. So we've just dropped our luggage off.
Bye bye.
It's always like the worst part of the holiday. It makes it a lot easier though, having to drop off
so
here.
much easier. Like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
That's just taken. So, and we came in well under in weight as well. So
I think we've got about 20 kilograms spare in total, so we could have bought more stuff.
Yeah.
But we're now going to explore a bit of Disney Springs,
Yeah.
aren't we?
Yeah. Disney Springs.
Yeah. The weather's turned really grim as well, but we don't mind because we're going home.
So I think we left at the right time.
We did, didn't we?
This is our last day, and look at the beautiful weather we are leaving behind. Sorry, that's really bad. If anyone we know is in Typhoon Lagoon or in a water park, only part, to be fair, we do feel for you right now.
Yeah.
But it's Florida. It'll be gone soon. I think we've got a problem.
I think we have. We came here last night for a meal. Oh, by the way, in case you haven't guessed, this is IHOP. Came here for our meal last night, and we were like, that's our last IHOP, oh, boo. And then we didn't know what to eat today, so we're back at an IHOP.
Yeah, we also gave up on Disney Springs as well because it's quite hot considering it's raining.
Yeah, it's really humid, isn't
Yeah.
it? But in case you didn't know, Sephora do really good samples, so I learned that ages ago. So get samples of Tom Ford, it's super expensive. That's what I done. You got a sample of Hermes.
Yeah, you went and had a hydration test
Yeah.
in Kiehls.
Super
You look all
dry.
shiny now.
Thank you. Is my nose really shiny as well?
Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah, super dry apparently, which is kind of obvious because my skin's bad anyway. Yeah.
Okay, so we're just waiting for our last meal.
And we've discovered our favourite this year. Just iced tea and lemonade.
Also
It's nice,
known
isn't
as...
it? An Arnold Palmer.
It's a
Lovely.
real thing.
Hmm?
It's a real thing.
Is that his slogan?
No.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm thinking of Coca-Cola. It's the real thing. My
Okay.
bad.
So what have you gone for? Oh,
It looks really greasy, doesn't
no
it?
change there then.
Breakfast sampler. Well, I changed the 2 pork links for 1 big one.
Okay, that looks well cooked.
It does. Over easy eggs as well, which looks super greasy. Some fries on the side, because
Yeah.
I'm greedy. And some sourdough toast.
Oh, and is the chef taking a bite out of your bread?
No, you bloody did.
Yeah, because I'm still waiting for mine and I'm hungry.
That's not my fault.
So mine's finally come and I've gone for an original chicken sandwich. Huge slice of chicken there. And I've changed the chips out for some hash. Yum yum.
Good show. Okay, so if you recognise this classical music, we're back at MCO Airport for our flight home. Just going to take a little seat. Bit of a tip for you if you want to do it. When you go into the car rental place and you go into the main terminal building, it's really busy. Obviously, you've got the food court, the shops, and then you've got the TSA security bit. That's on the 3rd floor. Me and Dan have actually come down to, I think it's the ground floor, so level 1, where the car rental places are. There's a Starbucks down here and loads of empty seats. So if you want a bit of peace of quiet before your flight, I'd definitely recommend coming down here, get a bit of a chill before you then go through all the stress of airport security and all of that. Why do people have to walk things that click as soon as I start talking on a video? Oh well. So we had a couple of issues with our car hire. We rented the car with Alamo through Virgin Holidays, There's a couple of issues with the steering being locked, the wheel alignment. So when we got here, we spoke to a member of staff who checked the car in. Then we went up to one of the managers at the desk. They told us to go and speak to a manager. And they're going to have a look into it and sort it out for us. So if you ever have any issues with your car hire, just go and speak to the managers here and speak to the person who checks your car in, because I'll give you a receipt to go and speak to them so that they know what you're referring to. The other thing I wanted to recommend as well is Disney Springs check-in. If you go with Virgin Holidays, it's a much stress-free way of doing the whole experience, especially if you go into a park or something afterwards. It costs $10. I believe that's per person to do the check-in at Disney Springs. However, with Virgin Holidays, it is included in the package, so you get that for free. And yeah, as I said, it gives you the opportunity to kind of walk around, do a bit of shopping, go into a park if you want to. I know last year me and Dan went to SeaWorld for the day and then went on the plane. In hindsight, I wouldn't really spend the whole day at a park, especially if it's a really hot day, because then you've got to go sit on a plane. It's just a bit blech. But yeah, it's been a really good holiday, and I'm kind of excited to go home, see the cats. That's like the only reason I want to go home right now, is just to see our cats. But we went to Walmart, as you'd have seen. Christmas section was up. Bought a couple of bits, including some coffees and nothing too liquidy, because liquid rules with flying is a bit of a So yeah, we've got loads of powdered coffees that we can't get at home, some food for the plane, some milk duds. So yeah, it's been a really good day, but we're now going to go through TSA, go through security and get on board our flight. It's due to leave in 2 hours and 7 minutes, so we better get a move on.
Have you shown what you look like?
No. Hold on, guys. This is what I look like.
Dodgy.
Because my hair's proper yellow, so it's just embarrassing. So I just look like a... I don't know what I look like right now. Starts with a T, ends with a T, has a vowel in the middle. That's what I look like.
So what you got?
I've gone for a Bloody Mary.
Oh.
I only ever drink these on planes. Don't know why. When I used to work on a plane. But
You just add in the vodka.
yeah, I haven't got a stirrer though, so I'm kind of just having to use gravity.
And then the Virgin Atlantic Standard pretzels. Yum yum. Oh, is that strong?
It was just all vodka because I can't mix it. We have to ask for a stirrer.
And what's under the Dan surprise?
Oh, let's have a look. That's not puree.
It is.
Oh my god, it is.
Mash and veg.
That looks so much better.
I am looking forward to this.
Good. It's better than the baby food you had.
And then for dessert.
Oh, I hope you don't like it.
I don't know what that is.
It looks like something that they would serve in Galaxy's Edge, doesn't it?
It does. And then some applesauce, which I won't be having.
Ooh. I've gone for wine. I don't drink that much, do I? But because I'm not driving when we get back,
Yeah.
I thought, you know what? I'll have my tomato juice. I forgot what it's called, Bloody Mary. Oh, I'm just putting it out the window.
Are we going to pinch these?
Obviously, it says on the bottom that we pinched them. So yeah, we'll be taking them. So yeah, this looks actually quite nice. It's beef. Is it jerked beef? Have I got that right?
Beef stroganoff.
Beef stroganoff, roasted Mediterranean vegetables, and wild rice. Unlike the captive rice, you know, wild rice.
This is going to look really gross.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
But it was chicken.
Yeah, it was surprising, wasn't it?
Peas, carrots, and mash, and it was really nice.
Yeah, Dan even donated some chicken to me, so I've kind of had half chicken.
So quickly, just try this and tell you what this is.
I mean, I feel like it's some kind of mango raspberry.
No idea.
No idea, lovely.
No idea.
Weird.
Dessert. I cannot believe what I'm seeing here.
What?
It's a bacon roll.
It is. This has changed since the last
It's
time
a
we played.
dream.
Why don't you unwrap it?
Do we know what this is?
I want to see the bacon though. Not too bad.
It smells nice.
Smells good.
And you got some ketchup as well.
I imagine this is like a muesli with a mint leaf.
Oh, okay.
Probably with some almonds in it.
And then your little pot of something. Oh, taste testing.
Does that muesli with yogurt and blueberries? It's
Okay.
really tasty.
And what's your little shot?
This is a heartbeat shot. Beetroot, pomegranate, lime and black pepper.
That sounds quite nice.
That's it.
So let us know how that is.
And I've got some honey.
Oh, that might be for the
this.
yeah. And then mine, we have a pureed meal. Obviously, we don't know what that is.
Muesli. It even says muesli on it.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. Fungus.
And then the blueberry yogurt. So we'll let you know how that goes.
Dan was offered a bacon bowl as well on the side in case it's doing right. Dan was offered a bacon bowl just in case he could have handled it, and he said, "Nah, I'm alright, thanks." Instead of just accepting it and giving it to me. So hello, we are back at the Hampton here in Gatwick North Terminal. Instead of getting the train home with all of our luggage, we thought we'll have a day here, a night here, and pack all our stuff up neatly and then go home tomorrow. So this is a nice room. This is one of the end rooms, so it's quite a large room. So first of all, I'll go into the bathroom. There's me. Hi. Toilet, as all toilets are. There's a sink. You get some hand soap and some body lotion. And it's also a nice large shower there. You do have toiletries provided, and it is one of those kind of removable shower heads. So there's a full-size mirror there, and you've got a couple of plugs. Here you've got your kettle, you've got 2 mugs for tea and coffee, a bin underneath, and your TV. This is the family room, it's room 505, so you have a double bed there. Here is a little sofa, but it is also a fold-out double bed. Beside your bed, you have some more plug sockets, an alarm clock, and air conditioning thingamabob. See, all the words just going out of my head now. It's a telephone here, but with no phone numbers, so who to call? So if you need to call reception, you just take a gamble and press some numbers. And there's a lot of windows here. It's extremely sunny today. So there's that window, and there's a window behind here, which looks over there, and there's another window there as well. You also have a desk area with a lamp. All in all, it's a very nice room, so I do recommend staying here. There are a couple of different options for your rooms. There was one that we stayed at on the first night of our trip, but yeah, this is a family room here at Hampton in Gatwick North Terminal. Okay, so wow, I look like a steak, don't I? So me and Dan checked in here this morning. They really nicely let us have the room from about 10 AM. So we've been here since 10 AM. It's now like 9 PM. So we've been here a while. We had a little nap, caught up on about 3 hours of sleep. So we decided to have a nap, stay up till about 11 PM tonight, so we can have a good night's sleep. So that was our plan. We've had some food from M&S. Have to say, it's probably one of the best flights I've ever had with Virgin. It was only 7 hours and 10 minutes. Never flown back from Orlando that quickly before, so it was really nice. Smooth flight as well, a little bump here and there. Everyone seemed to be asleep apart from me and Dan. One problem with premium economy on Virgin in the 747 is you have extra legroom, which is great, until the person in front of you reclines, and then all your legroom's gone. And I know Dan, the woman in front of Dan, reclined her seat. Thankfully the guy in front of me didn't. But Dan couldn't move for like 5 hours of the flight because his knees were like crushed against the back of the seat. But you know, you can't help that. This recline function on the seat, people are going to recline, so it's a bit of a catch-22 situation. So yeah, this is the end of this vlog series. We've had a really great holiday. We've met some amazing people out in Orlando as well, and now we can finally chill, relax, get back to work, yay, and start planning our next trip, which we don't know when it'll be yet. You probably know when this comes out because obviously we've just got back, and it's going to be a couple of weeks from actually filming it now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this Orlando trip series. If you have, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, subscribe using that little button down here in the bottom corner. And on that note, we'll see you later.